Hello, I'm Tom Mortel. I'm a volunteer here at the Hamilton Community Garden. Today we had several volunteers come in and we pulled weeds. There's always weeds to pull.
And there we are. This we don't want.
And we watered. We watered each of the plots very nicely. And I got to describe some of the plants to some of the new people, which is always fun. Our plot has been very abundant this year, and we can plant flowers and vegetables and perennials. I like the garden because it has success. I get lots of successes and a few failures, but there's always something you do that produces vegetables or fruit, and that's always fun.
Costa Mesa Senior Center!